Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So it's been a while since nakagawa tayo ng video mga Lodi Geeks. For today, magsasagot tayo ng isang math problem coming from the 24th National Math Wizard. Yung mga Lodi Geeks natin na future electrical engineers and mga top-notchers. And nice to meet you guys, yung mga na-meet ko during the National Student Convention sa SMX nung nakaraang November 25 ata yun. So yun guys, pero before natin sagutan tong problem na to, shoutout muna kay Patrick Fontanilla and maraming salamat sa Lodi Cakes Patrick sa patuloy ng suporta sa channel ni Sir IJ, and I hope you all the best. God bless you always. And happy holidays. December na kasi. Advance Merry Christmas mga idolo. The lengths of the sides of a triangle with positive area are logarithm of 4 base 10, logarithm of 66 base 10, and logarithm of n base 10, where n is a positive integer. Find the number of possible values of n, and this is good for 45 seconds lang. Ito yung nakita nyo guys na nag-trending somehow kasi yung video binidyo na ako ng kaibigan ko na nagsosolve ng problem na to eh. So paano ba isa-solve to Sir IJ? Paano mo na-solve ng sobrang bilis lang? And ano po ba yung mga important properties na kailangan natin gamitin dito? Since we are given the three sides of a triangle, let's say meron tayong triangle mga Lodi Geeks. Let's draw a simple triangle with side lengths A, B, and C. So, tandaan po natin na kapag meron tayong tatlong sides, it must satisfy what we know as the triangle inequality theorem. So, ano po ba Sir IJ yung triangle inequality theorem? Inequality theorem. So, ano ba yan, Lodi Cake? So, ito po, ang ibig sabihin lang nito that the sum of the two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. So, it follows na A plus B must be greater than C, pero it must also satisfy A plus C is greater than B, and B plus C must be greater than A. If one of these conditions is not satisfied, so basically that is not, you cannot form a triangle out of the given sides. So we have to consider this triangle inequality to solve the given problem. So ang sinabi kasi meron tayong logarithm ng 4 base 10. Ang problema lang kasi dito guys, nakalag yung given natin. So dapat yung sum ng first two sides natin must be greater than the third side, logarithm of n base 10. However, since we have logarithm here, so dapat alam natin na yung logarithm of a plus the logarithm of b is equal to the logarithm of ab. So this will become logarithm of 4 multiplied by 66, mga Lodi Cakes, ha? Is greater than logarithm of n base 10. Ano bang 4 times 66, Lodi Cakes? That is 264 is greater than n, or we can rewrite it as n is less than 264. However, we must also consider the other condition. Kapag ang ginamit kasi natin 66 tsaka n, 66n is greater than 4, so automatically magi-greater than 0 na tayo. So hindi natin siya pwedeng gamitin kasi meron pa tayong condition in between in which we will try the third and the first must be greater than the second. So considering that case, so we have the logarithm of 4 to base 10 rather plus logarithm of n base 10 is greater than the logarithm of 66 base 10. Applying the same property of the logarithm above, we have 4n is greater than 66. And alam natin na ang 66 divided by 4 is equal to 16.5. So dapat, n natin must be greater than 16.5 but less than 264. So following this one, so considering the two inequalities shown below, so the possible values of n will be n is equal to 17 up until 263 kasi positive integer siya. And paano nyo po kinaun siya, Sir IJ, na mabilisan? So pwede mo i-consider na yung 1 to 263 positive integers yun. E di minus mo lang yung 16. So 263 minus 16. So the final answer for the given board problem or for the given National Math Wizard problem is 247. Pwede mo rin naman gawin, minus mo to, and then plus 1. 263 minus 17 plus 1 will give you 247. So if you have questions or clarifications, guys, wag po kayo may mag-comment sa comment section. And as what I said a while ago, advance Merry Christmas, mga Lodi Cakes. And ayun nga, happy holidays. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung season na to, especially dun sa mga engineering and future engineers natin dyan. God bless you always, mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and thank you.